Man of the final.
Man of the match.
39 on 15 ball with 3 4 and 4 sixes and 88 on 33 balls with हंस रहे हैं ना वसीम भाई आगे हम देखें बहुत हंस रहे हैं with 5 4 and 10 sixes. Man of the match FMC. 10,000 रुपए का चेक है, शील्ड है, एक दुबई का रिटर्न टिकट फ्रॉम कोलानी ट्रेवल्स।
Fahad goes massive, Fahad goes big, his first six of the final, and it nearly took our cameraman there at mid-wicket. Oh, have a look at that for a stroke. Timing at its precious best, and that was class personified. Oh, that was nicely whipped away, almost off the Yorker length.
Between two titans.
He picks him away and he finishes things in style, does Fahad. It's a big 6 over square leg.
Fahad Mia Channu has lofted him. It is going and gone outside the boundary for a maximum, I reckon. Is capable to defend those runs, and there we go. Fahad Mia Channu tonked that away with authority and disdain. It's travelled all the way. Fahad is going for his strokes and Asad is playing the second fiddle role, and that one has been put away like a rocket to the offside.
The wicket, and they are back on track. And he goes big once again. His favorite shot, the flick shot, that one went miles. Another great shot. It was a short pitch delivery. He's fast. Well, as we said, he can pick it up the deliveries from outside off stumps. Absolutely brilliant. Once again, just guiding the ball towards the long off. Another leg side delivery. Majid has been too expensive.
If you can do that.
He didn't repeat the ball anyways. It was shorter ball once again to the tall guy Fahad, and he once again pulled it away.
Fahad Mia Channu.
A slower Yorker might work over here. And another one, that one gone for 6 as well. A flatter 6 this time by Fahad. Did not time it so well. They all are crazy about cricket. And do we see another boundary over here? Oh, yes, we do. Similar delivery. Well, that was a better delivery, but that will go towards the boundary too. A flatter 6. I mean, he didn't put any effort in that shot.
Well, he scored the 50. Another 50 for Fahad Mia Channu. What a shot that was.
Helping it on its way down the lakeside. Poor line by Awais.
Oh, another one. Stylish, gorgeous, stunning. Everything in the batting of Fahad Mia Channu.
Picked away. And this is Fahad's bat. It went all the way again on that roof. He goes again. Boom shakalaka. That's another one.
Wow.
The bowler waited and hoiked, and yet another maximum. He's not going to spare them one bit. Count them. It's first. If he hits all of them, he has a chance to get his 100 here. Number 2. It's very high. And all the way. Keep counting them.
The good thing is that now the supporters of Clifton Poplars are enjoying.